Let's bring in Guggenheim Securities' Bob Drbul. He's got a $135 price target and a buy rating on the stock. Bob, anything in the quarter or in the guidance concern you about that bullish view?
Look, I just think the macro uncertainties, Sarah, are very, topical right now. I feel like from a business standpoint, the demand for the consumer brand of Nike is very strong. Their inventory situation was much better than anyone anticipated. The margin expectations have been set now. So I feel, very comfortable with the next 12 months for this stock.
So will they get to the long-term targets? And if so, how long does it take?
Well, it may take a little bit longer, but, from that long-term algorithm in terms of the top line growth and the high 40s in the gross margin and, mid to high teens EPS, we still believe in it. We still think this company can generate $5 of earnings over the next few years, and we're playing the long-term game here with the shares.
How much is predicated on the direct-to-consumer business, which has been the bright spot for Nike and has raised some questions lately with the renewed partnerships with DSW and Macy's and others?
Well, I think the biggest part of the growth is going to continue to come from DTC and really what they're doing from the business standpoint. I think the inventory reduction that you saw is for more modest growth in wholesale. They have, reconsidered some of their partnerships and bringing some of those guys back in terms of business-wise. And, I think they're going to move very slowly and very gradually. But I think they're trying to reach a consumer segment that they probably weren't reaching with some of their initiatives in their DTC piece.
Thought it was notable that on the call they talked about how they want to prioritize higher price or full priced merchandise into next year. I mean, that should be positive. What are the conversations you're having with investors like today? What are they concerned about?
Well, I do think that, the overall long-term algorithm, people want to see the numbers be achieved. And I feel like the demand piece isn't an issue for the Nike brand. I think the competitive position remains very strong. And overall, I feel like it's just there is some concern around the macro and the ability for consumer spending in this category to continue at a very high level. So when you think that, that 5 percentage point mid single digit EPS perspective, the top line perspective for the business, it is below their algorithm. But I also feel like they're trying to tread lightly and they're going to set the stage for the entire category. So they're getting healthier. I think the industry's getting healthier. And I think they're going to lead the way in the next few years in terms of, that recovery and what we expect for the shares.
All right, Bob, thanks for joining us with the quick take on Nike from Guggenheim, 135 price target.